Am I the only one who didn't know raccoons could be master burglars? Watch them crack open jars like they've got the secret code. What do raccoons have in common with Houdini? Quite a lot, actually. These clever critters can outsmart almost any barrier we put up. From popping open your secure trash can to unlatching that supposedly critter-proof gate, raccoons are the escape artists of the animal kingdom. And why stop at simple latches? Raccoons have been spotted opening jars, bottles, and even doors. With their nimble fingers and sharp minds, they thrive anywhere from the deep forest to the urban jungle. The next time you spot a raccoon, remember, you're not looking at a simple scavenger, but a mastermind of adaptation and survival. So maybe secure that trash can one more time, or you might just find it empty in the morning.